Hey yo, what's going on everybody? My name is Dylan, you guys are chilling with Dylan, and today we got another brand new unboxing and review for you guys early this time. This is an early joint. Alrighty guys, so before we get into this video, make sure you guys are smashing that like button if you do enjoy the video. Also, please don't forget to hit the subscribe. We're cruising. We're going to hit 2,000 subscribers, mark my words, by the end of March. So, I'm really putting that expectation out there. Let us please do that, please. And also, don't forget to hit the post notification bell on so you don't miss another one of my uploads. Without further ado, let us get into this unboxing. So, we're going to get the Air Jordan 1 Shadow Lows. Let me just tell you how I got them real quick. Now, just the other day on the Sneakers live stream, they actually shock dropped 3 sneakers. So, the Air Jordan 1 Shadow Lows, the Team Red Air Jordan 1 Highs, and also the Green Glow Air Jordan 1 Highs. So, it was a pretty good day if you are a fan of Air Jordan 1s. You got some lows, you got some highs. I copped these and the Team Red, so another review and unboxing will be hitting your feed very soon for the Team Reds. Now, when I heard that they were going to be doing the shock drop, I was definitely excited because I don't have the Air Jordan 1 Shadow Highs. This is going to be my next best thing to copping them. So, let us get to the box itself, actually. So, you're going to get actually a special box. Usually the Air Jordan 1s have been kind of following the same pattern with matching the box to what the color scheme is. So, you're going to get an all-over shadow gray box with the Nike Air branding in black. Size tag is going to read on these things: Air Jordan 1 Retro Low OG, black, medium, gray, and white. So, Shadow 1 Lows. Also, I got a size 11.5, which is going to be my true 2 size in all Air Jordan 1s, lows, and highs. As you flip open the box and open up that paper, man, these things are nice, guys. These things are really nice. Now, if you're an Air Jordan 1 fan in general, you're going to know this is one of the most classic colorways. Granted, this is on the low this time, but just one of the classic colorways of all time. Now, if you have the highs, it's kind of up to you whether you need the lows or not, but here they are right here. So a quick little showcase of my Air Jordan 1 lows. I have the Mystic Blue Air Jordan 1 lows right here. I have the Air Jordan 1 low UNC right here. I get the Air Jordan 1 Black Toes as well. I got the Air Jordan 1 Low 85 Neutral Grays, which I absolutely love. And then probably my favorite sneaker in my entire sneaker collection is the Air Jordan 1 Low Travis Scott Olives right here. Now, the Air Jordan 1 Shadows is going to pretty much mimic the exact color blocking and style as the Mystic Blue Navy Air Jordan 1 Lows that released about 2 years ago now. So, if you have these, expect pretty much the same exact materials as far as the black panels, which is a really nice soft black leather, as well as it feels like pretty much the same going over to the toe box as well. Now that that's out of the way, let us just get into the actual review. So like I said, really nice leather, soft leather all over the black on the sneaker. This, like I said, it's an Air Jordan 1, so it's a pretty simple sneaker overall. Really nice black leather going around the shoe. You have a pretty decent leather going around on the gray panels, like on the swoosh. It does feel soft to the touch, not plasticky. The actual toe box does feel very nice. Will crease pretty quickly, as you could tell from the old press test. It is a softer leather. Will crease over time, but to be honest, I would rather have a softer leather than something very plasticky that's going to hurt my toes over time. Now going over to the back of the heel tab, you're going to get the Air Jordan Wings logo in black, as well as the gray or shadow gray leather wrapping it up as well. So really nice, like I said. Overall, this is a really, great pickup. It's an OG colorway. It's a classic. Going over to the tongue, standard black nylon tongue. You're going to get the gray on the Nike Air logo right there. And then going over for your insole, you're just going to get a white insole with the black Nike Air as well. Going to the outsole, it's going to be your standard black Air Jordan 1 outsole. Nothing, crazy about that. So overall, really great pickup. I'm happy I was able to get these things early, especially to do a little quick unboxing review for you guys, letting you know how basically they are. They're going to be your standard Air Jordan 1 lows. Go true to size, whatever you wear in an Air Jordan 1, high or low, pretty much you can go with the exact same for these. One other thing to note I almost forgot is that you're going to get an extra set of laces with these as well. So you are going to get a gray set of extra laces, which is a nice touch. But yeah, guys, pretty simple, quick review for you. The Shadow Air Jordan 1 lows, an absolute classic. If you wanted them, you'd still have plenty of time because they don't release for a little bit. Like I said, this was an early pair. They shock dropped over on the sneakers app, so I was able to cop these things about a month early. They do release sometime in April, so I don't have the specific date, but once I get that, I'm obviously going to be posting some more videos, some shorts over on the channel and stuff like that. So I'll get you in time for the actual release date. Don't have it off the top of my head right now, but they are early, so don't be worried that if you missed out on the shock drop, you're not going to get another chance at these, because they should be everywhere, just like these black toe Air Jordan 1s were as well. Like, these things were everywhere. They restocked them a whole bunch of times. Expect pretty much the same for these, especially since it is that OG colorway. So let me know, guys, did you guys go for these things over on the shock drop? Were you actually able to cop them? If you weren't, let me know all that good stuff down below in the comments. And if you did enjoy the video, like I said, make sure you guys are smashing the like button. Please subscribe if you are new around here, and don't forget to hit the bell, because it will notify you every time I upload a video. And with all that being said, guys, my name is Dylan. You guys just chill with Dill, and I'm out. Peace.